Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed help with a product or service, reached out to customer support, and ended up more frustrated than when you started? It's a common experience, and when it comes to financial platforms, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, customer support can make or break your experience. Today, we're diving deep into Nuggs customer support, what it's like, what to expect, and how to navigate it effectively. Nuggs, as many of you know, is a popular Canadian cryptocurrency platform designed to make buying and selling digital assets accessible and straightforward. But like any online service dealing with real money and complex technology, issues can arise. Whether it's a delayed withdrawal, a verification hiccup, or a question about fees, knowing what to anticipate from their customer support can save you a lot of headaches. First, let's set the stage. Nuggs is a rapidly growing platform, and with growth often comes increased demand on their support channels. This isn't unique to Nuggs. Many successful fintech companies face similar challenges. The key is how they respond to that demand. What are the primary ways to contact Nuggs customer support? Nuggs primarily relies on a ticket-based support system, usually initiated through their website or in-app help chat. You'll typically find a help or support button that leads you to their support center or allows you to submit a request. Some users have also reported success reaching out via their social media channels, particularly Twitter and Reddit, where community managers sometimes engage directly. However, for official issues, the ticket system is their recommended avenue. Unlike some traditional financial institutions, direct phone lines for immediate support seem less common or readily advertised for general customer inquiries. What kind of issues typically require reaching out to Nuggs support? Based on user feedback and common scenarios in the crypto space, here are some of the most frequent reasons people contact Nuggs customer support. Account verification issues. This is a big one. Many users report delays or difficulties with the initial account verification process, KYC, Know Your Customer. This can involve submitting ID, proof of address, or dealing with failed verification attempts. Funding and withdrawal delays. Cryptocurrencies are all about speed, but sometimes fiat, traditional currency, deposits or crypto withdrawals can be delayed. This could be due to network congestion, internal processing times, or security checks. Transaction errors or discrepancies. Occasionally, a trade might not go through as expected, or there might be a discrepancy in the amount of crypto received or sent. Login and technical glitches. Users might encounter issues logging in, app crashes, website errors, or problems with two-factor authentication, 2FA. Fee clarifications. While Nuggs aims for transparent pricing, some users might have questions about specific fees applied to their transactions or the spread on certain coins. Security concerns. If you suspect unusual activity on your account or have concerns about account security, reaching out to support is crucial. What should you expect in terms of response times? This is where the experience can vary significantly and is often a point of frustration for users. Historically, Nuggs response times have fluctuated. During periods of high market activity, when more people are trading and potentially encountering issues, response times can lengthen considerably, sometimes days or even weeks for less urgent matters. However, during calmer periods, users might see quicker responses. It's important to manage your expectations. While some support requests might be addressed within hours, particularly if they are simpler issues or involve automated responses, complex problems requiring manual review can take much longer. Nuggs themselves have acknowledged increased ticket volumes during busy times. Tips for a smoother Nuggs customer support experience. Given the nature of online support, there are definitely steps you can take to improve your chances of a positive outcome. Be detailed and clear. When submitting a support ticket, provide as much information as possible up front. What happened? Describe the issue clearly and concisely. When did it happen? Include dates and times if relevant. What have you already tried? Mention any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Include relevant IDs, transaction IDs, ticket numbers, if it's a follow-up, or even screenshots can be incredibly helpful. Screenshots, especially for technical errors or discrepancies, can speak volumes. Your account information. Make sure your support request includes the email address associated with your Newton account so they can easily locate your profile. Be patient, but persistent. While it's important to be patient, especially during busy periods, it doesn't mean you should simply wait indefinitely if you don't hear back. Follow up politely. If you haven't received a response within their stated or expected time frame, a polite follow-up on your existing ticket is appropriate. Avoid submitting multiple new tickets for the same issue, as this can slow down the process for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.